Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. This is my unplugged acoustic guitar tutorial for PLUSH by the Stone Temple Pilots. I have also posted an electric guitar lesson for this song. To get to it, use the link in the description below this video. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is G major. Let's start with the intro. For the intro, we'll need a G chord formed this way with 2 fingers on the B and high E string at fret 3, G chord, and then we'll need a D major 7, suspended 4, sharp 5, played this way. Now that's a long name, but don't worry about it. It might be a hard name to say, but it's an easy chord to play. Just place a finger on the G string fret 3, the B string fret 2, and the high E string fret 3, and strum from the D string. We'll move to a D7 suspended 4 by taking these 2 fingers down by 1 fret. We left a finger here at fret 3 on the high E string, and we're strumming from the D string. And our last chord is a G chord with just the high E string involved, like this. So this is what we've got. So our strumming pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down. We'll follow that by going to the B string open, keeping that finger on the high E string at fret 3, and we'll strum from the G string. Take that first finger and put it on the 1st fret, the 2nd finger to the 2nd fret, and then we're back to where we started. So here's what we'll play. Now for the verses, we'll play a G chord, a D chord, an F chord, a C chord, and an E flat major 7 chord, back down to an F. We'll form that E flat major 7 chord by moving to fret 6 and borrowing from the A string down. We'll bring in the ring finger to the D string, fret 8, the middle finger to the G string, fret 7, and the little finger on the B string, fret 8, and strum from the A string. That's E flat major 7. We'll strum those chords this way. Here's our strumming pattern. We'll play the G chord, down, down, a muted strum, down, up, down. D, up, down, down, a muted strum. F, up, down, down, a muted strum. A C chord, up, down, down, muted strum. Up to E flat major 7, up, down, down, up, down, down, F, down. Here's the entire thing. Now for the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we'll play a D chord, a C add 9 chord, a G/B chord, back to a C add 9. And we'll strum it this way. And that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we'll do that progression 4 times. It'll sound like this. And now it's time for the cool part, the part where we go. Where you going to tomorrow? Where you going with the master found? For that part, we're going to go up to E flat major 7 and go down, down. And between every chord strum, we're going to go or down, up, down with a muted strum. So it's down, down, like that. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. That's for the first chord. Then we'll go down to F. And when we go back up, we'll go down, up, down. We're going to do that progression 4 times in a row. It'll sound like this. when we play this F down here, this time around, you can try to put in a low F on that low E string to make it sound fuller, right? Like that, if that's possible. If you can't do that, just stick with the F. Like that, okay? Now this song has a second chorus, and we'll play that chorus with these chords. A G chord here, an F6, a C chord, and then we'll go up the neck to fret 6 and play an E flat chord and a D chord, like that. Now to be more specific, we're playing our G chord like this, the way we played our F chord. Okay, so we're going to raise that F up to a G, and that's at fret 3 to fret 5. We're going to go down to an F6 by playing the F chord and adding a finger at fret 3 on the B string. So we get that, right? So we get this. A C chord and an E flat chord by putting a finger on the A string, fret 6, and borrowing from the D string down at fret 8. Now we don't want the high E string. And then go down one fret for a D, like that. We'll play that this way. So G down, 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 up, down, F6 down, down, up, down, C down, 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 up, down, E flat, down, down, D down, down. So well, alright my friends, since all the chord progressions in this song repeat, that's all I got for this one. You can learn the electric guitar version of this song by using the link in the description below this video. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.